In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change task priority in ClickUp. So if the priority of a task has changed or you want even to remove it, you can go ahead and change this in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your tasks, and you can see this task have priorities. So to change the priorities, for instance, this was urgent. I'd like to go ahead and change the priority of this task from urgent to low. To do that, just click on it, and then you'll see we have quite a number of options here, like high, normal, low, and clear. So to turn it to low, just choose low, and then the priority will have changed. However, should you want to remove a priority on a task, you can still click on it and then just clear, and the priority will be removed. So that's how you can change task priorities in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.